The night sky over New Jersey has become a source of mystery and speculation. Reports describe strange lights dancing across the horizon, too erratic for conventional aircraft, too silent for helicopters. Witnesses describe formations of lights moving in unison then breaking apart, only to reassemble in new, perplexing patterns. Whispers of UFOs have filled internet forums and coffee shops. Some residents claim to have seen these objects up close, describing them as sleek, metallic crafts, humming with an otherworldly energy. Theories abound, ranging from the extraterrestrial to the governmental. Some whisper of secret military projects, testing advanced technology under the cover of darkness. Others speak of alien visitors observing our world from above, but one theory in particular has taken root: Project Bluebeam. Project Bluebeam is like a narrative ripped from a science fiction novel, a tale of deception and manipulation on a global scale. Its proponents claim that powerful forces are orchestrating a massive hoax on humanity. The alleged goal? To create a new world order built on fear and obedience? The theory suggests this new world order will be ushered in through a series of staged events, culminating in a simulated alien invasion. Using advanced holographic technology, they will project images of alien spacecraft onto the sky. This global spectacle will trigger widespread panic, leading people to surrender their freedoms for security. Despite its outlandish claims and lack of credible evidence, Project Bluebeam has gained traction in certain circles. The theory's appeal lies in its ability to tap into our deepest fears and anxieties. The technology required to create a convincing, large-scale holographic projection that could fool millions into believing in an alien invasion simply doesn't exist. While we have made strides in holographic technology, our current capabilities are far from the scenarios painted by Project Bluebeam proponents. Think about the holograms we see in science fiction films, shimmering, three-dimensional projections indistinguishable from physical objects. Now consider the holograms we encounter in the real world, often blurry, two-dimensional images that require specific lighting and viewing angles. Projecting a holographic image onto the sky, on a scale large enough to be mistaken for a fleet of alien spacecraft, would require unprecedented technological sophistication. Even if such technology existed, the logistics of deploying and concealing it would be mind-boggling. Moreover, the human eye is not easily fooled. A large-scale holographic projection would likely be riddled with flaws and inconsistencies. So, while the idea of a government-orchestrated holographic alien invasion might make for an intriguing plot, it's crucial to ground our understanding in scientific reality. While the idea of extraterrestrial visitors and government-orchestrated hoaxes might capture the imagination, it's important to consider more grounded explanations for the strange lights over New Jersey. One such explanation is the increasing prevalence of drones in our skies. Drone technology has advanced rapidly, with drones becoming smaller, faster, quieter, and capable of carrying sophisticated payloads. It's not difficult to imagine a group of drones equipped with LED lights and programmed to fly in formation, creating patterns in the night sky. The erratic movements, sudden changes in formation, and relative silence could easily be explained by a fleet of drones. Occam's razor would certainly point us in the direction of drones as a more plausible culprit than alien spacecraft or government-engineered illusions. Why are we so quick to embrace the extraordinary even when more mundane explanations exist? Why do conspiracy theories hold such allure? Humans are storytellers by nature. We crave narratives that provide explanations that impose order on chaos. Conspiracy theories offer a seductive alternative to the often messy nature of reality. These theories also tap into our primal fear of the unknown. In a world increasingly defined by complexity and uncertainty, conspiracy theories offer a comforting illusion of control. Social media, with its echo chambers and algorithms, has amplified these tendencies. Conspiracy theories spread like wildfire online, finding fertile ground in communities united by fear and distrust. It's important to acknowledge that not everyone who entertains a conspiracy theory is gullible or irrational. In the age of information overload, where misinformation spreads like wildfire, critical thinking skills are more important than ever. We are bombarded with information from all sides, much of it designed to manipulate our emotions and exploit our biases. It's essential to approach information with a healthy dose of skepticism, to question our assumptions, and to demand evidence before accepting something as true. When evaluating extraordinary claims, it's crucial to apply the principles of critical thinking. We must ask, what evidence supports this claim? Is there a simpler, more plausible explanation? It's also important to be aware of our own biases. Skepticism is not about rejecting everything we hear, but about approaching information with a discerning eye. It's about embracing the scientific method as the most reliable way to understand the world around us. The vastness of the cosmos should fill us with a sense of wonder and humility. It should remind us of the vastness of our own ignorance and the importance of approaching the universe with curiosity and open-mindedness. While the allure of the unknown is undeniable, it's important to remember that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The strange lights over New Jersey are unlikely to be harbingers of an alien invasion or evidence of a grand conspiracy. More likely, they are a testament to our technological ingenuity and our fascination with the unexplained. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us do so with a sense of wonder and a commitment to seeking truth. Let us embrace the vastness of the universe as an invitation to explore and expand our understanding of our place in the cosmos.